Have you ever noticed how some people just seems to win at investing, no matter what's going on in the world? The markets can swing, headlines can scream panic, and yet somehow these people still come out on top. They don't look stressed. They don't make impulsive moves. They just stay calm. And while everyone else is selling in fear or buying in hype, these investors are quietly building real wealth behind the scenes. So what's their secret? It's not luck. It's not timing. It's not even about picking the perfect stock or property. It's mindset. Because wealth doesn't start in your wallet. It starts in your head. Now that might sound a little cliche, but it's true. Your mindset determines how you react, how you plan, and ultimately, how you build. Think about it. Two people can have the same money, the same access to opportunities, even the same advice, and one ends up thriving while the other burns out. The difference isn't knowledge alone. It's how they think about money, about time, about patience. Let's be honest. Most investors don't fail because of bad investments. They fail because they can't handle their emotions when things get rough. They let fear drive their decisions. They sell when they should hold. They chase when they should wait. And they treat investment like a sprint instead of a marathon. But the ones who win, they play the long game. They understand patience. They prioritize knowledge. And they focus on one simple goal: cash flow. Let me explain. Think about the last time the market dipped. You've seen it. People panicking, talking about a crash, pulling their money out of fear. It happens every single time. And every single time, the people who stay calm, who stay patient, they come out stronger. Fidelity did a study on this. They found that emotional investors, the ones who constantly react to market swings, underperform patient investors by 3 to 6% a year. 3 to 6% might not sound like a lot until you stretch it over a 20-year period. That's the difference between a 300,000 portfolio and a 700,000 portfolio. Same income, same opportunities, just a different mindset. That's how powerful it is when you think differently. Now there are 3 pillars that define how successful investors think: patience, knowledge, and cash flow. And when you put all 3 together, something shifts. Investing stops being stressful. It starts being strategic. Let's start with patience. Patience really is the quiet superpower of every great investor. It's not glamorous. It doesn't make headlines. But it's what separates people who build wealth from those who chase it. Here's the truth. Wealth doesn't happen overnight. It takes seasons. It's like planting a seed. You don't dig it up every week to check if it's growing. Instead, you water it, you nurture it, and you give it time. But in the world we live in, we trained for instant gratification. We want results now. And that impatience kills more portfolios than bad investments ever will. The patient investor knows how to zoom out. They look at the decades, not days. They understand that short-term dips don't destroy wealth. Emotional reactions do. Think about Warren Buffett. Over 90% of his wealth come after his 50s. Not because he suddenly got smarter, but because time finally caught up with his discipline. He let compounding do the work. That's the power of patience. It's not just waiting. It's trusting the process, even when results aren't visible yet. And patience doesn't mean doing nothing. It means doing the right things consistently without chasing the noise. It's staying invested. It's sticking to your principles. It's allowing your strategy to mature. Now, patience only works if you understand what you're doing. And that brings us to the second pillar, knowledge. Knowledge is the difference between gambling and investing. Most people invest based on what they hear, what's trending, what someone posted about on social media, or what a friend said at a party. But successful investors, they make decisions based on understanding. They don't chase hype, they study the fundamentals. They know how their assets produce income. They understand risk. They understand taxes. They even understand the psychology of money, which might be the most underrated skill of all. Because when you truly know what you own and why you own it, you don't panic when the market drops. You don't get emotional when the headlines turn red. You understand that volatility is temporary, but sound discipline compounds forever. And here's something interesting. The more you learn, the calmer you become. Because education replaces anxiety with clarity. You start to see patterns. You start to recognize opportunity in moments of fear. You stop guessing and start planning. And that's where confidence comes from. Not in having all the answers, but in understanding enough to stay steady when others can't. Now, once you have patience and knowledge working together, there's one more thing that takes it all to the next level, and that is cash flow. Cash flow is the freedom factor. Most investors focus on appreciation. They want the number on the screen to go up. But the wealthy, they focus on income. They want their money to pay them every month, every quarter, whenever the market goes up, down, or sideways. Because cash flow gives you choices. It gives you stability. It gives you peace of mind. It's the difference between worrying about the market and sleeping soundly no matter what's happening. And that's where note investing really comes in. Instead of flipping, guessing, or hoping for appreciation, note investors earn predictable income by becoming the bank. They buy performing notes. They collect monthly payments. They earn interest, all backed by real property. They don't rely on the luck or market trends. The income keeps coming in, month after month. Imagine earning 8 to 12% returns year after year without managing tenants, fixing leaks, or stressing about market timing. That's the kind of investing that builds real freedom. Because when money comes in steadily, you're not longer reacting to the market. You're running your own economy. Let me give you a real example. An investor bought a mortgage note for $48,000. The balance on that note was $60,000. The homeowner paid $550 a month for 12 years. By the end of that term, that single note produced over $79,000 in total payments. That's a steady, reliable return. And here's the best part. No property management, no guesswork, no sleepless nights. Just consistent income backed by collateral. And that's what successful investors understand. The power of stacking cash flowing assets. Because once you have a few, your entire financial life starts to shift. One note becomes 2. 2 becomes 5, then 10. Before long, your investments are paying you, not the other way around. That's when you realize that financial freedom isn't about timing the market. It's about time in the market, consistency, and control. That's what the mindset of a successful investor looks like. They're patient, they're informed, and they focus on creating steady income that compounds over time. And that's available to anyone who decides to think differently. So if you're listening to this and thinking, yeah, I'm ready to stop guessing and start growing, here's your next step. Focus on patience. Keep learning and build your strategy around cash flow, not hype. Because when you do, you stop chasing quick wins and start building lasting wealth. And if you want to see exactly how note investing works, how to build consistent, secured monthly income like the pros, why don't you visit us at ritzelnotes.com. You'll find free resources, real examples, and step-by-step guidance that show how everyday investors are building steady cash flow in any market. Because the real game isn't about getting rich fast. It's about getting rich forever. Patience, knowledge, and cash flow. That's the mindset of a successful investor, and it's how wealth is quietly, steadily, and confidently getting built. Stay focused and go and live your dream.